guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little bit differently. I've never done this before on my channel. Yes, it's an unboxing, but I have never unboxed an advent calendar. But I saw this one and I was intrigued. I wanted to try it out, see what's in it. And there were some hints. I did not look at it, so we're gonna find out together. But when I saw it, I clicked on it, I ordered it, and it arrived. It's still in the box. I haven't opened it up. We're gonna unbox this together and see what it's all about. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. I think there's 11, 12 compartments on this. We'll find out. But you guys, before we jump into this, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But if you want to see what we got in the Charlotte Tilbury Advent box, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so it is nicely secure in here. I don't know how I feel about dumping this out, but I do need it to come out of its box. Let's see, can I do it this way? Oh, that works. Okay, this is super cute. Look at these details. Look at this little lipstick rocket. Oh, these are so cute. And then you have the crystal knobs, just such adorable details. Now, the top of this, I think it does open. Look and feel like a star. This is a cute little display piece. I'll try and find somewhere to put this, but it is so cute. Okay. Now, I'm probably gonna have to set this here because otherwise it's just, I don't have a spot for it to go where I can just keep unboxing it. So this first drawer right here. Oh, and are each individual pieces packaged? Let's see. This is the first drawer. It's a pretty big box and it does come out, so maybe that's what I'll do, is grab each box and show you. But this one has a little like star handle on it. Super cute. All right. Ooh, this is the Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. I do actually have this brow gel open right now and I absolutely love it, but I don't need two of them open right now. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. And that's the other thing. I purchased this not knowing exactly what's in here, but I know that I have it on my desk right now, so I don't see a reason in keeping it. It's not going to be in the box that it comes from in Charlotte Tilbury when you purchase it, but this is mine and the other one is in the drawer for giveaway. So now you guys are getting some Charlotte Tilbury too. As much as I want to keep spare, I've started to get away from doing that. I would always, like, when there was a sale, oh, they're buy one, get one, or buy two, get one. And then I realized I just don't go through my products like that, like a normal consumer, because normal consumers, you guys will go and purchase one item and that's the thing you use and you'll use it till it's done. I don't do that as a YouTube makeup reviewer. I just try out so many new things that hoarding makeup does not make sense. I tend to give it away to my friends or I put them in giveaways for you guys. We're gonna go into this one right here. Oh, this one is so cute. It's got the magic serum in here. That is so cute. I do like the magic serum. I've gotten like tester ampules of it. So I will try this out more consistently than just 1 or 2 days and see if I like it before I go and purchase a larger bottle of it. All right, now we're on to this second row. We're gonna do this one here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, this is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. This one's in the shade Spotlight. Now I want to say Spotlight is really dark gold. which I don't think I can use. Okay, so I just looked up Spotlight, and this one is more of like the light tones. The girl she was using this on is super fair. So I think I should be able to use this. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one is super light. Absolutely can use that one. Okay, I'm excited. I do love the light wands. I love how nice they are on the skin. Oh, love that. Now on to the big drawer of the second row. And we have the Wonder Glow Instant Focus Beauty Glow Primer. Now, I have tried a sample of this. It's not my favorite only because I am super oily. So this is going to go into the giveaway. I wanted to like this a lot. It doesn't work on my skin. So one of you will get this. Okay, now we're on to the third row. Let's see what we have. Ooh, I love the Pillow Talk push-up lashes. Love this for work. It's not super dramatic, but it lasts all day. I do have one of these that I was just finishing up. So actually, do I need to keep both of them? Yeah, because I do reach for it and I do like it. I go through mascara pretty quickly. I'm actually quite surprised. Now, the other drawer on the third row. Ooh, I have the Magic Lip Oil Crystal Elixir. This is a lip conditioner by day, lip mask by night. And it's just a little roller ball. We will try this out tonight. Now on to the fourth row. This one is very thin. Probably like a lip liner. Rock and Roll Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil. Wait, liquid? This isn't liquid. Liquid eye pencil. This one is in Barbarella Brown. I don't use a lot of brown eyeliners though. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. I would hate to hoard it and not use it when one of you guys could get some use out of it. Now, the next drawer on that fourth row. Ooh, Color Chameleon Gold Quartz for Hazel Eyes. The heck is this? Oh, okay. Is this one of those like eye pencils? Like eyeshadow pencils? That's interesting. Ooh, and it smokes out really nice. We'll have to try that out. Okay, fifth row. We're gonna go into this one first. Okay, we have a lipstick. This is in the shade Catwalking. Ooh. So I always have the shade like Pillow Talk, but this is more of a nude. We'll have to try this out. I really, really, really like their lipsticks. Third to last drawer. And we have the Lip Cheat Reshape Resize Lip Liner in Hot Gossip, which looks like it'll be the perfect dark brown shade to go with that light brown lipstick. And you guys, we're on to this last row right here. We're gonna start with this one right here that has the lipstick rocket. Ooh, okay. So this, let's see. This is the Charlotte Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. I have had a sample of this and I really like it. It has such a nice fine scent. It's not super overpowering. Really excited for this. You guys, I'm bummed. This is the last drawer. Oh, I think I know what this is. And if it is, I'm really excited. I love this. If this is what I think it is, this is one of my favorite products. And it is. I absolutely love this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. If I go through anything the most, it is this setting spray. I literally have it right here in the big size. So I will absolutely be adding this into the collection. I go through setting sprays so quickly. You guys, that is everything in this Advent Calendar joy box. Let me know, if you had this box, what would you use it for? I feel like it would be a really nice joy box, display piece. Just, it's super cute. I think it is a conversation starter no matter where you have it, whether it's in your bedroom, in your bathroom, beauty room, whatnot. Let me know what you would use this container for. I'm thinking maybe for my small earrings, but I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I think it is super cute. I did want to try out some other products from Charlotte Tilbury, so figured trying out the Advent Calendar Advent Joy Box was the best way to go, because there are some cute products in here that I wanted to try out, like the Magic Serum. I've tried it a couple times with like the little sample ampules that they send out, or the Magic Cream. I've had the little like packets. That's just not enough to get an idea of how it works after only 1 or 2 days. You really need to be using a product for about a week, week and a half to get a clear, concise idea of what your skin's gonna do. And even then, sometimes longer, depending on what the product is. But we did get some really nice things in here. I love the highlighters. Lip Cheat, love this, as well as the lipstick. You already heard how I feel about the setting spray, especially like a little travel size. Always good to have. But let me know, are you planning on picking this up? I feel like for the price that I spent on this, I think was $200. I got quite a few things to try out, as well as a couple things for me to give to you guys in the future giveaway for the holidays. Now, you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications to new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And then until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.